Headlines making the afternoon news. One dead, another injured in shooting on Windward Road. Firearm found in barrel in St. James. Two men were shot, one fatally, by unknown assailants on Windward Road in Kingston on Friday. The deceased has not yet been identified. Police said the body is of dark complexion, slim built, about 5 feet 10 inches tall, and has a bearded face. He was also clad in a blue t-shirt, grey jeans, black socks, and 1 foot of blue and white Puma sneakers. Reports from the Elliston Road Police are that about 2:15 a.m., the lawmen were alerted to explosions heard in the area. The police subsequently found the man with multiple gunshot wounds. The victims were assisted to hospital, where the unidentified man was pronounced dead and the other admitted in serious condition. Meanwhile, the police are requesting that anyone who may be able to assist in identifying the body of the deceased to contact the Elliston Road Police. Police station, better known as 100-man police station, on Wednesday night thwarted an attempt by detainees to escape custody. It is said that 9 of Kingston, St. Andrew, and St. Catherine most dangerous killers could have escaped back into the public if it were not for the intervention of the police there. Only one jail cell was affected by the attempt to escape. Sources at the police station told Loop News that the police got information that there would be an attempt by the detainees to escape custody. The police carried out their investigation and found that bars in the cell were tampered with. A further search was carried out and an hacksaw blade were found. A collaborative effort between the St. James Police and the Jamaica Customs Contraband Enforcement Team resulted in the seizure of 1 firearm and a magazine at the Seaboard Warehouse in St. James on Thursday, March 16. Reports are that about 5:45 p.m., the team carried out a coordinated search of the warehouse, where 1 disassembled Taurus G3 pistol and a magazine were found in a barrel. The weapon was subsequently seized. Detectives are conducting further investigations into the seizure.